watching Taisheng video. Today I'll show you the Taisheng brand J14 automatic joint machine. And this machine advantage is that first, all the shoot position we can control by computers. And the second one is that all automatic work and only need to put the moldings on the machine and then only press one time button, you can finish the work by itself. Do not need to move the moldings on the tables. In this way, it's more easier for workers and even the women can handle their very heavy workings. And the third one, the advantage is that is here as a new clamp on the machine. This new clamp can close the moldings by itself. In this way, the worker only needs to put the moldings inside and then this can close the moldings by itself. Easy to get the better corners. Okay, for now, we will show you how to use it and how to get the better corners in these machines. Okay, come. After you get these machines, you will find the 4 nail block. 4 nail block and two suitable 4 different size of the V nails. And here we have marked the size here, the 7 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm, and 15 mm. The 4 size. And you also can find here the tools here is different. You can see here the tools different. Here longer is the tools here is 7 mm. And here this one is the 10 mm. And the third one is the 12 mm. Flat one is 15 millimeters. Okay, now we take some moldings come and to try to fix the V nails inside. You see it has 2 buttons. One is yellow, one is gray. One is gray. If we press the yellow one, we can check if this clamp can close it well, press it well or not. It won't be shake, then it's okay. And another is for one-time shooting. Of course, when you're walking, you use your foot to press that, not your hand. This is put it on the floor. Press that, it's okay. And then to press this gray one-time shooting. Here, as we can see, all the moldings, the nails shoot in the position we want to shoot. This is the biggest advantage of that. We can control it. Even the worker no experience, it can work it very well, handle it very well. So for now, we make another new molding. For example, this is the second. This is the second molding. And this one, we will make the 12 mm V nails on the machine. So we need to change the nail block on the machines. First, we need to mold that. And then to change it. Change that. Then take it off. Find the 12 millimeter nail block. And then put it in on the machine. Attention, this is the tools, is face to down. Flat one, flat face to up. Put it. And of course, first we need to take off this V nails. The machine we have like this. Take the nail off and then to put this. The nail block, 12 mm nail block on that. Then to go to that. And this. Then the second to make the V nails. Put the V nails in. And this is our Taisheng frame, the high quality V nails. All the moldings, even the hardwood, the MDF, DS molding, this can handle all the nails. The left, we put the nails in it. Attention to find the glue side face to up. And this edge is face to back side. Put the V nails in it and then to touch the strings on that to push the V-nails, and then to go to the home side to check if the V-nails can come out smoothly or not. Okay, come again, come again. Okay, now it's okay. It's successful to change the V-nails. Now we start to add the assistance. This one. Okay, for this one, we need to add that to this way. We need to make two molding, two V-nails. This side, you can make the two pieces, and on this side, you can make the one pieces here. This one. Because the height is different, we can use the V-nails, shoot one position in few pieces, and then this top side will be close enough. Okay, now we start to add the assistance. We get back to the coconut side, and then to find the number 2, this assistance record. Now we change the name to the number 2 moldings. Okay, now this is the number 2 moldings, and then we start to add the assistance. Okay, now start. Press the position, first position, and then to move it. Okay, for this size, now position already confirmed for the 6.7 millimeter. Now this position we need to fix the 2 pieces of nails, making the 2. Now it's okay. And then the second one, press the 2. Now it becomes green colors. And then to move that. Make it in the correct way. And then this one, maybe it's the 1 pieces of nails. Okay, it's 1 piece of nails. Now it's okay. We need to save that. Save. Now it's already for the number 2 is already in this computer is already saved that. Now another. Now we need to check if this clamp can press it well or not. Okay, we remember we make the yellow buttons to check if we can press it well or not. Okay, it cannot move. It's okay. So you press the gray one. Now it's finished that. In the position we want to fix. It's okay. Now we start to make the one flames. We only need to put the moldings on it and then to fix that. Okay, now this is already closed well. No space. And here. Now it makes another pieces again. This is the second advantage that is easy to handle that. Even worker no experience, only need to program, edit the program, and then it can finish it by itself. Also very fast. Now it's already one molding, it's already finished that. Each corner is closed well, and each positions is same, all the same positions. In this way, the customers will know your qualities. Different with others with the manual one, it's more better, look better as others. Okay, we fix another pieces again. Only need to put the moldings on that, and then can work easy. Press the gray button one time, and then this will fix the molding by itself. Only need to push that. And also another advantage is that this is a new clamp, and when we push that, it can close here by itself. As you see, now we make a little open. Here has a space, and then this one can close here. Already no space, close it by itself. In this way, this will help the new workers to make the better corners, easy to get that. Okay, another piece is finished again for this one. This is the Taisheng frame J14, the automatic joint machine. Helps you get the better corners and easy to helps you get the better frames. And this is the second. Now another. This is the number one. The mode is now you get another business for the number one mode. So we back to the number one. Here has the memories. We go to the number one. Now it becomes that. You make that. You finish it again. As you see, here it's totally different, totally same as the before. It has the memories. So after you get the moldings, get the machines, you can edit the program by yourself, your own moldings to edit that in a different position to save it in the computers. And then after you get the moldings, the business of the moldings, then you just recall that to make it out and then to fix that. For example, now I'm back to the number two the moldings business. I make the here is the decor in this side. I make the number two. Okay, now this is back. I make the number two moldings again. As you see, here is the two position, same as before. This is the advantage for this machine. First, faster working, and then this, even no experience worker can handle it well, and to make all the same nail positions. And it has memories, can save the program by itself. And once you need to fix this type, the moldings, you just recall it out to choose the right problem for these moldings. Another is that you can close the moldings by itself for the new smart lab. Okay, this is the Taisheng frame, the J14 automatic joint machine. Any further questions, just contact us. Thank you.